Hi folks, this is Trace Trajano. I'm so excited to interview Jojo Taming, and he is a student of Thea Santos, whom I consider probably, well, right now the most successful local coach that I have in the local coaching program. So, and I was impressed by Jojo having done so many deals in such a short span of time. So, Jojo, kumusta? So, ikwento mo sa amin, how did you get these deals? How did you find the buyers? I mean, these are all land or lots. I know lots in general are more difficult to sell.
Yes, yes, Sir Trace. Yes, the first property is located at San Luis, Baguio City,
Mm-hmm.
about 7 to 8 minutes drive from Central Business District. And the owner of the property are a group of investors.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I started to market it since November 2009.
Mm-hmm.
Personally, I had difficulty selling this property because most buyers' common objection is the terrain of the lot. As you can see in the picture, it is elevated slope.
Mm-hmm.
So anyone that would buy the property needs to allot extra cash for site development. So it came to a point that I'm tired selling it because I want to give up. Then, but then when I joined the local coaching program, that's the time I've learned the beauty of extreme marketing.
Mm-hmm.
I advertise it
Wow.
through internet, word of mouth marketing, through coin Center of Influence networking.
Right.
Then after a few days, advertising in internet, a buyer called up from Manila and showed interest in the property. So in 3 weeks time, wow, they sold the property. I have a commission.
Wow,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Great. So you were trying to sell it for a year, but you were doing it incorrectly by not doing extreme marketing, which most agents don't know, right? And yet by just doing extreme marketing, you were able to sell it in just 3 weeks. That's pretty good.
Yes. Yes, thanks for extreme marketing. It works. It's like a magic.
Good, good. And then is the story the same for the other two lots? Or what's the story with lot number 2 and then lot number 3?
It's also, I got the two buyers from the second and the third lot from internet marketing.
Mm-hmm.
But the second lot sold for in 2 weeks time.
Nice. Mm-hmm.
Yes, and the third lot in 1 week time. I sold this
Wow.
one for the third lot sold for 1 week time.
Nice, nice. That's pretty fast.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't heard land being sold that quickly. Typically, land is more difficult to sell, right? Because you need developers typically, whereas houses are more plentiful to begin with, but at the same time, you have a lot more buyers for houses. So, cool.
Yeah, and this is Baguio, not Manila. So the market is that hot too in Baguio.
Right. So the market is also smaller. So, what about your fourth deal? What's the story with the fourth deal?
Yes, the fourth deal is a townhouse. I got the property from my friend who is a broker, and I advertised this through online ads.
Mm-hmm.
And the result is amazing. A hot buyer called up and scheduled the house viewing the next day. Then after seeing the property, he fell in love with the property actually. It took us 5 weeks to close the deal because the buyer needs to wait some money from abroad
Mm-hmm.
to
Okay.
complete to complete the full down payment. Actually, he wants to give 1.4 million.
Mm-hmm.
That's why after he completed the 1.4 million, he sold the property. He gave the down payment of total of 1.4.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's more than half. So this was the longest so far, 5 weeks.
Yes, 5 weeks.
Mm-hmm. But that's 5 weeks to close. But in reality, you found a buyer quickly, right? Like as you said, the next day. That is
Right
again
the next day. Yeah.
very, very quick. So,
Okay, so what lessons did you learn, from this 4 deal?
Yes. First is study and know the market. Be familiar with the sellable prices or what's the really most in demand buyers are looking for and what's their preferred location. Then you just need to learn to match, give what the customers want. And then, yes, yes. Second one, classify clients and prioritize hot buyers. We need to classify clients if it is hot, cold, uh,
warm.
or not not yes,
Warm.
warm, yes. So we need
Yeah.
some magic words to pre-qualify them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good that you learned those things.
Yeah, and the third is always do extreme marketing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
For me, the most effective one here in Baguio is through online ads.
Really? That's cool.
Yes, but I tried. Yes, sir. I tried all flyering, newspaper, word of mouth marketing, bandit signs.
Right.
But the most effective for me is online ads.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But as always, you should continue doing offline marketing as well, in addition to online, because the whole principle of extreme marketing is you'll never know where your buyers will come from. So yeah, so by the time you put out the online ads, you'll never know that the buyer would come from a bandit sign or from a flyer. So and then you were telling me before we started that one other good thing about affiliate real estate marketing, right, was you were able to serve your buyers quite quickly, even if you don't have a property yet,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
you were, yeah. And then what with regard to the local coaching, what can you say as how did the local coaching program sort of change your life? And if you can do it all over again, will you do it again, knowing what you know now?
Yes. Right now, uh, the impact of local coaching is my marketing skill is enhanced.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Knowing the target buyer, then formulate a message that attracts them,
Mm-hmm.
that attracts the buyer, then advertise to different media.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right.
And then I gained my confidence in dealing with clients. Before, I'm so shy to talk with clients. That hinders me to pre-qualify them.
Oh, really? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good, good.
Oh,
Yes. Thanks to this local coaching program. As a result, dealing with clients is not difficult for me anymore.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I've always been asked, I'm a shy person, I'm an introvert. Will I be successful at, at real estate investing? And I always tell them, hey, if your motivation is strong enough, then you'll be able to learn the skills and the knowledge to be able to sell. And that's precisely what happened to you. So, and then talk about the third point.
Yes, it motivates me to earn more.
Mm-hmm.
Before, I'm contented with small amount of if I receive 5,000, 10,000, but right now I want to earn millions. After selling this, after knowing this formula, these techniques from local coaching program, the extreme marketing like that,
Mm-hmm.
and buying property, and I want to
Right.
apply all the knowledge I've learned from local coaching. Thank you, Sir Trace. Thank you to you, Coach Thea.
Mm-hmm. Right, right. It's a
thank
privilege. Yeah, it's a privilege and honor to be of service to you and to Thea as well. And Thea has done an awesome job in inspiring you guys. Especially you, so that even if you're in Baguio and Thea is in Manila, I mean it's amazing what you guys did here. So. You owe it to yourself more than to me and to Thea actually, because really your motivation primarily sort of came from within, but I guess you were inspired by by the possibility after what you can see from the other students as well. So great. So I guess to summarize, the local coaching program help you by teaching you the crucial marketing skills, which unfortunately a lot of agents don't have, right? But by exposing you to extreme marketing, you're able to sell properties very, very quickly. Your confidence has risen, and as a result of that, now you are motivated to earn millions, as you said, and it's possible to earn millions, and you should not satisfy with less. So again, thank you, Jojo. It's awesome what you have done, and definitely thank you, Thea, for the great local coaching that you have done. And again, to those listening to this, go to buyfirstsale.com for future announcements as to when we will relaunch the local coaching program. Thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.